Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
All right. Good morning, afternoon, good evening. Depend where you are watching me from. My name still remains Comrade Lucky Orupe, the President of the Traders Welfare Union of Nigeria, and also the ESA Agenda Movement Worldwide Convener. I greet you specially. Let me use the language that we all will understand. My Asian brothers and sisters, my Edo people all over the world, I just want to respond to Iranomigo. I've been waiting to call his name, whether I dead boy, I don't know, to stop insulting Asian people. Asian people, we are very intelligent. Asian people, we are very productive. So Iranomigo, we see you as a psychiatric patient. For us, you are not a freedom fighter. You are just deceiving people. When you see so, now very intelligent people. When I come across your useless video, when you they do, because I know they like to watch your video because you, Iranomigo Edegbe, you always talk out of point. So the Asian people should listen to this information that Iranomigo in America, Edegbe, has been paid by some persons in Edo State to do what is the propaganda. Shaibu, Right Honorable Shaibu, the Deputy Governor of Edo State, one become governor 2024, where another person go become deputy. All these are propaganda wey they pay Iranomigo for. Iranomigo, they talk out of points. Iranomigo na psychiatric patient. So many things there when he talked for that video yesterday say in a jailer, he don't jail a lot of Edo people for America. Say he even jail his girlfriend. They knock her for chest. Say in a jailer. After that useless talk, he can't enter Asian people body. Ordinarily, if you don't talk to Asian, if I see your video at the waka person, I want to give you warning. Anytime when you do that your useless video, Iranomigo Edegbe, don't ever in your life bring Asian people. Come inside that your useless video when you do for America. Because we know you. You say you dey go Libya, you dey go Europe, they go help Edo people. How you tell they go Libya? How you tell they go Europe? How you tell they go Asia, go help Edo people? Not be fundraising people they do for you. When you tell they go, you they use your money. Iranomigo Edegbe, now you are they talk to. You are not a freedom fighter. You are not in our list. The list of freedom fighters all over the world, your name not there. Because what you do, you insult people in your video, you do propaganda in your video. That is why I'm responding to you this morning, Iranomigo. If you insult people, don't try to come closer to Asian people. Because yesterday they insult the entire Asian people. Your video where you they do, your video where you they do for America, the people where they follow you, they watch that your video, or people where we say they did that your organization. I pray may God open their eye. May God open their eye. May them know the kind woman be where you be. Assault what I give another 11 years old where he guy their tail break his head. I carry the matter for head. I the appropriate quarter. I don't stop oppression for you Benin market. Since 1997 till date, all the markets in Edo State, I don't deal with the issue of oppression and issue of bad market leader. In Anamigo, what is your history? Because you dey post yesterday, you be jailer, you dey jail people. Anybody wey talk for America, you go jailer. American government take note of this Anamigo Adegbe is painting American government black. It was in the knack he had for chest. American government should take note of that. That Anamigo is spoiling the name of America, the great America. That he has some policemen for America, some FBI, what they use to jail and dump people for America. Anamigo, FBI America is not your property. American police, when they use to jail people, is not your property. So stop insulting some people. Some people are not your type at all. Have you ever seen some person when they talk anyhow? Even last time when we say God deliver you from TV Joshua, deliver you from Lagos, that one issue to get sense. You know they insult Mr. Governor Obaseki since they insult the governor, they insult the governor. You come up for governor now, you want to entice some people. See, let me tell you, it is not my tradition to insult my elderly one. You better be careful. You better be careful. Don't bring some people to your stupid videos where you say you do. If you say Yamu or PO, I pay you to do propaganda, don't come closer to some people at all. Don't even try it to enter Esa land to use your propaganda. Were you there when Sharifu said what do governor for 2024? Can you show us the documents? Can you show us the agreement? Can you show us anything? You can't show us anything. Are you stupid? Don't pick up the That's your stupid video. Stupid video when you do wait and you insult people. The Captainosa when you they talk about now, when you come they praise, you never insult Captainosa before. The Oshomole, where we say don't give you money now, so they do propaganda. And Anamigo and Dagbe, you never insult Oshomole before. The Tony Kabaka, when you come they praise now, and Anamigo and Dagbe, you never insult her before. You never use FBI, take track Tony Kabaka down for Europe, say they're political terrorists. So we understand your game. For a very long time, I don't want to respond to you because I don't want to make you popular. And I don't want to make you popular. I just come out to warn you for the first and last. Don't bring Esa land and Esa people to your stupid video where you do for America. Stop insulting Esa people. You dey make man for America. Come house. Buy ticket, all your mates for America, Canada, Europe, Asia, Middle East, they buy ticket, they want to come vote now for September 19. You buy ticket, come vote. And Anamigo, they buy ticket, come vote now. They make math, they raise useless money. You they raise money for America, then they build mansion. They say you be freedom fighter. What kind of freedom? What kind of freedom fighter you be? So on this note, every adult people, every some people, Awuchi people, Nigerian people, when they follow Anamigo for that in Facebook, for that in Twitter or YouTube, wanna disconnect yourself or wanna tell them, wanna advise them. Why will you be listening to a psychiatric patient? Why will you be wasting your head time, your head hard money for an Anamigo and Dagbe? How dare you insult some people? Is there some people your type? The Orenigbe when you forcome, we have a lot of responsible people for Orenigbe. So if you are not responsible, don't try to insult some people. When I come across the video yesterday night, when you dey do for inside your one room wey you dey for America, I only laugh you. You say you dey jail Edo people. You dey jail Edo people. Some people. Secret don open o. Make una no expect say una go be governor 2024. You are talking out of point. The Bible said the kingdom of heaven suffereth violence, and the violent ones will take it by force. We are taking our governor, some people, come 2024 by force. Are you hearing me, amigo? Are you hearing me? If the political elite in Edo State do otherwise, some people will begin to move motion to get their state. Do you think that we are daft like you? You see that in America, talk nonsense for your video. Insult people anyhow. Mr. Godwin Obaseki, is he your mate? You say you are a freedom fighter. You never make your time say, okay, make I go do research whether the refinery when they say Godwin Obaseki build na truth. You don't ever buy tickets when you go check out. The Modular refinery, the Osio power plant when they build. About how Edo people say they get light when Obaseki they build. You don't go look at the pensioners who we say Oshobo did not pay for 8 years. Obaseki now clear the 8 years. He pay all their arrears. He pay all their gratuity. 24-25 pensioners now they receive their alert for beginning get their money. You don't go finance. And amigo, you can't deceive Edo people with the diaspora, and you can't deceive Edo people with the Nigeria. If they pay you to insult Mr. Godwin Obaseki, you are always sowing a bad seed. You are sowing a bad seed for yourself and your children's life. Now you dey sow bad seed for. So I just come out to respond to you that you are a psychiatric patient, and American government should begin to place check on you because you said something in your video yesterday that you put evil allegation on people's head that you are a jailer. You don't jail different people for America. You don't jail Edo people for America. Do you think that the breath where you dey breathe now you get the power where you dey breathe? Now God. So anything what you dey do today, now God, now He will judge you. If you dey jail Edo people, if you dey jail Edo people, now God, now He will judge you. So I just have to respond to Amigo Edegbe this morning that your video where you dey do, don't ever in your life insult some people. If you try it again, let me stop here for now. Every day you come out to talk about Edo government and Mr. Godwin Obaseki, the governor of Edo State. Okay, you buy tickets, come now. Buy tickets, come. That thing when you talk for your video, so come talk for Oba Market or for New Mini Market. If they not blind your eye. Come to Benin. If one person not slap you from behind. Before Obaseki come as a governor, I don't get to my activism. Are you hearing me? I don't get to activism. You are not a human rights activist, Amigo. You are not a freedom fighter. All those things that you are listing, fight against corruption, fight against this, Amigo. You don't do it at all. You are a commercial freedom fighter. You are a commercial human rights activist. Just turn and see. Let me show you something. Stand up. See, all these are evidence. Between 1997 to date, all these are evidence. You see this one? Now illegal ticket people when I hold for Isa Market. You see this one? You see all this mopo here? Now me bring the come 2015 to hold this man with the scatter traders things like this. You see this woman? See her. Now bad market leader beat her like this. All these things that you see here, all these are evidence. So what is your evidence, Amigo? Show the world. Show the world. What you normally do for America and for Western world, for Europe, everywhere, you will tell them you want to go and see Edo children in Libya, Edo children in desert, and they should raise money for you. They should raise money for you. These people are suffering. This one, that one, that one, that one, this one, that one. They will raise money for you. You do a P fund, they will give you. Then you are building mansions. The people that bring the money don't get one block for Nigeria. It is time you wise up. Iranomigo followers. It is time you wise up. Last time they complained, he said more than 15,000 don't come out for a Facebook, he follow us. You never see anything. A time will come, you will remain only you one. Only you one will remain for your platform. Because your platform now, you are using it to do evil. You are not using it to promote the Edo people. You are not using it to promote good governance. You are not using it to speak the truth to the world. You are using it to do evil. And they ask you question now, Iranomigo, the Capitanosa where you dey praise now, you never fell insult her. The Tony Kabaka where you dey praise now, Iranomigo and Degbe, you never fell insult her. You not use LPI, take track Tony Kabaka down for Europe when they arrest her. So suddenly now, Tony Kabaka don't be your friend. Away from that, you can't choke your mouth. That your mouth. Tell them insult some people. Some people are very learned. Don't take our patience for granted. If we never do governor, we never do deputy, we know ourselves. Are you hearing me? Don't bring propaganda to Edo politics. I don't need you to come tell me whether Obaseki do well or Obaseki not do well. Now I dey move round. And they move around everywhere. And any right thinking Edo person, when you want to know whether Obaseki do well or not, make it send your people. Now when I make diaspora, send your people go Olobo. Make them go check the refinery. Send your people, make them go check the power plant where they build for NEPA for light. Send your people go technical school. Send your people go stadium. The Esan people, send your people go Uromi. For the past 40 years, pipeline water not run for Uromi. It's running now. Send your people enter Inua, Igwebe, Ekpoma, Ubiaja, whether Obaseki they work or not. So Iranomigo, you can't deceive Edo people. You can't deceive Edo people. I'm not an insult for social media. I'm not an insult people for social media. I always show people the truth. I talk the truth for social media. Please share this video better than people see them. That people's freedom movement, when they are on Bigo Day, I beg, make una call am to order. Make it know wetin e go dey talk and wetin e no go dey talk. The organization wey I dey pilot for Nigeria, the Traders Welfare Union of Nigeria, is bigger than some political party. I no dey brag. I no dey brag. You comot for the governor wey you dey insult. You enter some people. You insult some people finish. You enter the governor. Who do you think? Who you be? Now you get America. Now you be the first person when they enter America. Now you get American passport. All those titles when you give yourself mega comrade. Mega comrade. Do you know what's comrade? Do you know what's comrade? You know what it is comrade? Fuel subsidy protest 2011. Are you hearing me? 6 of us Nike starter. Fuel subsidy protest 2011 to 2012. 6 of us for Benin, concerned by UPA. Now there we plan that protest. In 2012, more than 40,000 citizens of Edo Command. That protest moved from Edo to Delta, from Delta to Port Harcourt to Ondo to all over the country, apart from Eastern and where they say they're not joined for that protest. Did you have history? Did you have history? The money you collect from a Edo teaching every blessed day in America, in Europe, in Asia, because you have insulted Asa people, you have insulted Mr. Godwin Obaseki. May you never find favor again in your life in the name of Jesus. Because you are using that money now to do evil. The purpose that money was made for, that is not what you are using it for. Poor people in diaspora that want to find their greener pasture, they will bring their 20 euro, 50 euro, 100 euro, 500 euro, give you a amigo and you say you want to go Libya. Which Libya you go? Which Libya? Show us how many Edo ETG, where is land for Duruku, where is land for Agadez, where is land for desert, where you don't empower with the money they donate for you. Yes, show us. So in case you want to reach me for more information, 08053841781. So my brothers and sisters, at the verse this morning when I see Iran Omigo insult some people, whether they insult Mr. Godwin Obaseki. Must you insult people? Okay, Iran Omigo is there, apart from insult, what is your program for social media? Yes, apart from insult and shouting. You shout. You were the one, you were the first person to use the language that Tony Kabaka used. That because your t-shirt when you wear, now you don't call the wear them again because they mock you now. You draw lion here. You draw tiger here. If you dey talk, you say lion combined with tiger and leopard. Now Tony Kabaka don't use am now for Edo State. So you now lion and tiger family. Go for Zoom, go stay. So lastly, American government, the president of the America, the FBI, American police, take note of this Iran Omigo Edegbe. He said, and I quote, that he has some FBI and some American police, FBI, America, that he used to jail Edo people. So I want the American government to go back to drawing board, to invite Iran Omigo Edegbe, the people that he has jailed. I want you people to reinvestigate these people. He said it in one of his videos that is a jailer. So Iran Omigo for you come and go state now. From America, buy ticket, come for this election. Not be to the make math. Not be to the make math. So Mr. Godwin Obaseki, you started well. We have seen your good work. You have not paid me to do this. I'm doing this as a human rights activist. I am doing this because of your good governance. I am doing this, Mr. Godwin Obaseki, because what you have achieved for 3 years and a half. I do not belong to any political party. I am not a card carrier of any political party, and I don't want to be. I don't want to contest for anything. Period. I don't want it. Iran Omigo jumped from PDP to AAC, from AAC today. After running Showore down, he moved to APC. APC, they are now paying Iran Omigo to do propaganda. So I think a right thinking Edo person, we should not be talking about political party. We should not be talking about political party. Don't talk about PDP. Don't talk about APC. Don't talk about AGA or AAC. Don't talk about political party. Talk about good governance and development in Edo land. Edo people home and abroad. You know the governor that is working. You also know the people that is not working. I am not just praising only Mr. Godwin Obaseki. We have two governors in Nigeria that is doing the same thing. My own governor, Godwin Obaseki, is doing. Ben Ayade of Cross River, may your days be long. That governor stopped multiple taxation in Cross River. That is how Mr. Godwin Obaseki also stopped multiple taxation and Agbero. That is why they said they doesn't want Mr. Godwin Obaseki. Never again where Agbero will begin to butcher Edo State revenue. I will give you updates. Thank you and God bless you. My name remains Comrade Lucky Orugbe, the President, Traders Welfare Union of Nigeria, also the convener, ESA Gender Movement. ESA Oye. Oye.